Welcome to the Rice Lake, Dallas, and Menomonie Railroad. The Rld&M is an HO scale, 17-foot by 24-foot layout running early 1950s Sioux Line equipment. The DC-powered layout features computer-controlled signals and computer-generated operation switch lists. Ship It is a commercially available operations program I've used for over 10 years. The program prints complete, easily understood switch lists. The page header tells basic information about a train. A particular location's printout shows where the train begins. Train 320 begins in Minneapolis. The sheet lists the car's road names, the car's numbers, the AAR classification, which cars should be picked up or set out, and for reference, their ultimate destination. Let's look at the day's consist to be assembled by the Minneapolis Yard switcher. The Rld&M Yard at Minneapolis features 6 classification tracks, a depot, several industries within yard limits, and complete engine facilities. A drawing of the Minneapolis area is attached to the layout fascia. Today's switching will be done by number 312, a Baldwin DS441000. The switcher grabs an initial cut of cars that will go on the end of the train. Then backs onto the caboose track. Train 320's caboose will be number 178. The train will be assembled on the yard main. The switcher grabs another cut of cars on the switch list. The switcher also switches industries within yard limits. Here it needs a car from Paulson and Company for today's train. And a car from Shoreham Warehousing. After assembling train 320, the switcher heads back to the yard. Road power for train 320 is GP7 number 375, a custom painted Proto 2000.